Hello everyone, welcome to the www.elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Um, Today is January the 3rd, 2024. Happy New Year to everyone. And here is the first chart of the day for the new year, which is the Dow futures right here. 30 minutes time frame, we are looking for extension higher within this wave 5 in the minor degree. Within wave 5, it should subdivide into 5 waves. And we have wave 1 of 5 ending here. That's your wave 1 of 5. Within wave 1 of 5, of course, it subdivides into further 5 waves rally. And then this wave 2 is proposed to be finished as a expanded flat ABC. So now we are kind of a bit sideways at the moment, right? And yeah, so we are still a bit sideways for now, starting the new year. We still need to break above the peak again to confirm the view that we are ready to extend higher within wave 3 or 5, right? Until then, let's say if we fail to take out the previous peak and we instead drop again, then I think the adjustment that we can make for now is that you could call, let's say, wave 5 of 1 completed here, all right? And then you can adjust, let's say, 5 of 3 here, and this is your 4, right? So you can adjust to something like this, for example, okay? And therefore you can have this one as an A, this one as a B, and you can then drop into a 5 wave C, in which this is your 1 and 2, and then dropping in a 3, 4, 5 like this before it turns higher again, right? So I'm giving you two options here. One is that the primary view is the more aggressive view, just calling for more upside, and then this is the end of the wave 2 as a flat. The secondary alternate view, which is less bullish, is looking for a bigger double correction, ABC zigzag pullback, before it starts to turn higher again. So for now, the idea here is that we are still bullish against this 37,390 invalidation level. So even in the alternate scenario in which you see a bigger pullback, it should continue to find support again as long as 37,390 holds. Now, assuming if it drops, let's say, then the next support is going to be based on the ABC 100%, which is this area here. That should find buyers again for the next leg up in case it drops. If it doesn't drop, then it should follow what we are showing here, that we can extend higher immediately here, and this wave 2 finish here, right? And holding up above wave 2 and then continues to extend higher within this wave 3. All right, so that is kind of the main idea, guys. I want to be clear that any kind of forecast in the Elliott wave theory is always going to have an alternate path. That doesn't mean we are flip-flopping. It's just that we need to understand there is always going to be alternate scenarios, right? And we need to understand what the alternate is. Now here, so the idea here is that we are still bullish for now as long as we hold above 37,390. Okay. Now the if 37,390 fails, then that's another story, right? Then that means we're gonna be looking for a bigger pullback. And let me show you in the 4-hour time frame here. This is your 4. This is your 3. As a result, this is your 4 here in the 4-hour is here. This is your 3, and this is your 1 and 2. So we're talking about 5 waves rally, which started from last year from October, right? That's 5 waves rally here. So we are seeing that we are currently in the last stage of this rally, in which we should be looking for 3, 4, 5 like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that should be ending 5. So that's what we are seeing here. Now in the case that 37,390 actually fails, then that means the 5 could be ending already here, as a short, like rally, and then we might potentially see a bigger pullback over here. But that's, again, that's not what we are saying. That's not what we are forecasting, right? the forecast still remains bullish for now against 37,390, and this is the more aggressive path. The less aggressive path is doing a double like an ABC, like this, but as long as we stay above 37,390, we should eventually still starts to go higher again. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys. And as always, if you want to get more updates on the Dow futures or any other indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. We also currently still running the New Year promotion, which is not gonna last too much longer. So you can also take opportunities for the New Year here to subscribe to our plans and start trading with us. Okay, so I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.